Hello everyone, this is Joanne and today we will be discussing about endocrinology. So this will be the first lecture in the lecture series of endocrinology. So this is one of the most important topics in medicine that you have, so let's dive right into it. So what is endocrinology? So endocrinology is the scientific study of hormones and their impact on our health. So we know what hormones are, right? So they are these chemical messengers which are produced by various glands in our body. And what do these messengers do? They regulate the essential functions such as growth, metabolism, mood, and more. So in 1902, Ernest Starling and William Bayliss, they discovered secretin, and Starling introduced the term hormone. So this can be asked as your MCQ question, so take a note of that. Now let us step back in time to the early 20th century when diabetes was a dreaded disease with no effective treatment. The patients, they faced a grim fate which was wasting away, unable to utilize glucose properly. Now comes Frederick Banting, a Canadian surgeon, and Charles Best, a young biochemist. Their mission is to unravel the secrets of diabetes, and their laboratory a converted surgical ward at the University of Toronto. Now Banting's idea was to surgically ligate the pancreatic ducts of dogs. So as a result, the pancreas degenerates, leaving behind the mysterious substance that they sought. Now extracting the pancreatic tissue and they injected it into a diabetic dog, they noticed that the blood sugar levels of the dog plummeted. The extract worked. Now in January 11, 1922, there was a dying boy, Leonard Thompson, who received this refined extract. And within hours, his blood sugar stabilizes and the world witnesses the miracle of insulin. Banting and Best refined their process. By 1923, insulin is mass-produced and countless lives are saved. Banting insists, Best and Collins share the Nobel Prize. Insulin becomes a symbol of scientific perseverance and compassion. Leonard Thompson lives for another 13 years. Insulin remains a lifeline for millions. Today, Banting's legacy lives on. Now, if you have any questions about this module, feel free to comment down below and like, subscribe, share. For more of these videos, I will be having a whole series of lectures on endocrinology and subsequent topics. So stay tuned for more. Thank you.